Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? So today's interview question is, why do we need multiple provider instructions in Terraform? So before we go into details, I have posted this question on my LinkedIn page also. So I'll answer this. The first option is manage multiple environment. Second, target resources in different regions. Third option is managing multiple clouds like AWS and all of them. So generally, people say that managing multiple clouds like AWS, Azure cloud, but it's actually all of the above. All of the items can be done with multiple providers, and we'll see why. So, for multiple, we use multiple provider to manage multiple AWS region, right? So AWS regions operate independently. So managing resources in multiple regions, we need separate configuration like this. Provider AWS US East one. So here we mentioned the allies. Okay, let me here make it bold. The answer is all of the above. Yeah. So provider AWS, this is for AWS region. Provider AWS, this is allies is EU West. This is for EU West region. And when I'm creating a resource, then I'm mentioning the provider here. That is AWS US East. AWS AWS US East. So this region, it will pick up this one. Right? So using allies, I'm specifying which provider I'm looking at will be used for this creating resources. Similarly, AWS instance U. Here, EU West provider will be used. AWS provider EU West. Okay. So for AWS region, different regions, we can use different multiple instance of providers. This is the one instance. This is the second instance of the provider. Now let's go to the second one. Second one could be multiple authentication credentials. See, we manage maybe different AWS account, one for development, one for production. And for that, each AWS account has its own credential. So we need to have separate provider instance. We need to have separate provider instance to configure. So here we can see that this is AWS allies dev region US East 1 and access key and secret key. We are also allies prod US East 1 region, and we have production access key and secret key. So these access keys are different for different environment. So for different environment also, we need to have different instances. Generally, we don't put production and dev in the same Terraform file. It will be separate, but we can have different instances of providers. Then other one is a multiple Kubernetes cluster, targeting if I'm targeting multiple Kubernetes clusters. So they also create a provider like this. There are two different instances of the provider, and config path is different. Okay. So the other reason, other than and obviously, like if you're having multi-cloud environment where you are running like a backup, you are running maybe in Google Cloud, and the main instances are running in AWS Cloud. You are providing you are deployed the resources in two different environments, two different clouds, AWS Cloud, Google Cloud, or Azure Cloud. Then definitely you will be needing multiple instances of providers. Then you will need provider AWS, provider Azure, like that. Okay. Hope you like the video, and please subscribe my channel, and also I post daily quiz contests, etc. On my LinkedIn page and WhatsApp channel. So subscribe to WhatsApp channel so that you don't miss out the contest. And also I conduct mock interview, so please check that out.